Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your TV screen quick and easy. This cleaning process can be used on LCD screens as well as OLED TV screens. But first, I'm going to tell you what not to use on your TV screen. You don't want to use harsh chemicals such as window cleaners because they do have harsh chemicals such as ammonia. And a lot of TV screens out there do have a coating on it, and that can harm or damage that coating. So you want to avoid those at all costs. You also want to avoid using paper towels or any other abrasive item that could scratch your TV screen. So what should you use to clean your TV screen? Your best option is to use a quality microfiber cloth, as I have here. And what you want to do is you want to brace the back of the TV a bit so it doesn't sway. And it's wherever the smudge is, you just take the cloth and just gently wipe the smudge. Don't put any pressure on the TV. Put very little pressure because you don't want to damage the screen. So wherever you see smudges, just go in a circular motion, or you can even go back and forth, but I usually go in a circular motion until the smudge is removed. For more stubborn smudges or other gunk that may be on your TV screen, you can use distilled water or bottled water. And you can put it in little spray bottles such as I have here, and you can spray it lightly. You don't have to soak it, spray it lightly on the cloth and just rub until the smudge or the gunk is removed. And then you want to take flip it around and take the drier side of the towel or the cloth and go over that to make sure you get all the moisture off the screen and make sure there's no streaks left behind. Some people suggest you spray the water directly on the screen, but I don't recommend that, simply because if you put too much water on the screen, it can run down the screen and it can go between the bezel and the screen itself and seep down into the electronic components of the TV and possibly damage the TV itself. So that's why I don't recommend spraying it directly on the screen. And for daily maintenance, I like to use a Swiffer Duster to help prevent dust buildup on the screen. And I just go up and down like so, across the entire screen to move any dust buildup. And I also recommend you do that also. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to clean your TV screen. And if you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of these microfiber cloths, I will leave links in the description section. Thanks for watching.